Hi everyone, so I'm just popping on very quickly today. It is Wednesday the 8th of December and there's a couple of things I want to tell you about. First of all, Stampin' Up are offering free delivery in my online shop today. So if you shop with me at applelover53.stampinup.net and you place an order today, Wednesday the 8th of December, before 10:55 p.m. tonight, and the value of the order is £35 or over, you will get free shipping or free delivery. So that's the first thing I want to tell you about. But that kind of also coincides with something that I was going to come on and show you today anyway. In addition to the free delivery that Stampin' Up are offering for today only, the 8th of December, if you shop with me between today, the 8th of December, and Friday, the 10th of December, and at checkout, if you put this host code in that you can see on the screen, again, your order has to be £35 or over before shipping if it's not on the 8th, so not the day of the free delivery, if that makes sense. I am going to send you a small pack of tags. So this is a little tag class basically, which you can watch for free, but you can get for free if you place an order in my online shop between the 8th and the 10th of December and your order value is £35 or over before postage and packing. I've already pre-cut some things and I'm going to show you. So this is one of the little tags and basically I'm just going to put another one of them together with you. So what you'll get in your free kit is 6 of the tags that I've already cut. This is cinnamon cider Stampin' Up cardstock if anybody wants to know what I've used. You'll get 6 of the tags cut to matte on top, which are cut from the Gingerbread and Peppermint Designer Series paper, which is retiring at the end of December, but is still currently available in my shop at the time of recording this video. You'll get 6 die cut shapes from the same Gingerbread and Peppermint suite. Now, they could be anything. They could be the bell, the tree. I've got all sorts of things here. They could be the baubles. You know, they could be anything, but you'll get 6, okay? And then you will get 1 yard of the organdy white glitter ribbon. So basically what I'm going to do, they'll be pre-punched for you as well. So all you will need to do is cut your ribbon to 6 inches, feed it through the hole that I've put in the tags already for you. And that just, gives you a little way of holding them together, or you could glue them. And then you'll have 6 of your die cut shapes. So for this one, I'm going to use the bell. And I'm just going to use a dimensional. Now you'll need some adhesive and that's it. So that's one of the tags and there's another one. So as I say, you'll get 6 in your kit that are all packaged up with a little card from me. But you'll only get this free gift if you use this particular host code that is on the screen. Now I do currently have a December host code posted all over my website, my blog, my Facebook business page, and on my Stampin' Up homepage. But that's just for a regular order of any value in the month of December. This one that you see here on screen, EYAVAGA3, is only for 3 days, the 8th, 9th and 10th of December. If you don't use this host code, even if your order is over £35, I won't know that you want the free tag class, okay? So if you shop on the 8th and you spend £35 or more, you'll get free delivery. If you use the host code that you see here on screen, you'll get my free tag class. If you shop on the 9th and 10th and spend £35 or over before delivery, you will get the tag class, providing you use the host code again that you can see on screen. So I hope that's not too confusing. Any other time in the month of December, just use my regular host code, which, as I say, is posted on the homepage of my Stampin' Up website. It's posted on the homepage of my applelover53.co.uk website. It's also on my blog and it's on my business Facebook page. So that's today's quick project. I wanted to show you the tag class. Now, while I'm on, in the Stampin' Upline group that I'm a member of, they have posted a card challenge, so a layout card challenge. And I thought it would be a fun idea to make a card using my same tags. So I'm just going to show you that quickly. What I'm going to use for this is one of our note cards and envelopes. So I think you get 20 pre-scored, pre-cut cards and envelopes in a pack. All the details that of the products I'm using today will be listed directly under this video in the description. And if you go to my website and click on blog, there'll be an accompanying blog post as well explaining everything for you. But because the free shipping is only today, and it coincided with the fact that I was going to come on and offer the free tag class, I just wanted to get the video out and let everybody know about it. So this is the card I'm going to use. As I say, they're already pre-scored. I'm just going to burnish on the fold line and I'm just going to open this out. So what I've done, because I had the frosted gingerbread or gingerbread and peppermint sweet and you know, the bits and pieces already out, I thought it would be fun to use this layout and make a card with it, and that way I can show you another way of using the papers if you've got them or you're going to buy them, and it just helps me make my entry for this card sketch challenge. So I've got a piece of the paper which is 4 by 3.5, and I'm going to stick that just centrally on the front of this card. So I'm using Stampin' Seal. And I'm just going to pop that on the front of the card, kind of centrally. Now it may overhang a little bit, but I'll trim that in a few minutes. Then I've got a piece of cinnamon cider, because that's one of the colours that's in this suite. And I'm going to stick that kind of like this. I've got another piece of the paper from the gingerbread and peppermint suite. And this is 3 by 1.5. And I'm going to layer that up. Then I've got another piece, it's the other side of that, and this is 2.5 by 1.5. So I'm thinking that that's going to go like so. So that's kind of like the basis of the layout shown here. So I'll stick this down first, then I'll put this one down like so. This one I'll overlap like that, and then I've already got a die cut shape, because as I say, I've been cutting tags and layers and die cuts for you for the tag class, and that's going to stick on there, and I'm going to pop that up with dimensionals. So again, I'm just going to bring in one of my Stampin' dimensionals. I'm going to pop this over here like so. And then I've got this little scrap, which is about 1/2 inch by just 1 7/8. And I'm just going to make this into the flag. So I'm just going to cut up about maybe 3/8 of an inch and then cut from each corner to make a flag. And that's going to just go in there like so. And I'm just going to stick that down flat. So there's my card. So now I'm just going to trim off this edge. So I'm just going to find some scissors, and I know there might be a shadow on screen. I've had another move around. I've been trying different things out in the last few weeks in my crafting area, and I've had another move around here in my craft area. I think this one's probably going to work better for me, but I know that there is a shadow, so I need to get some kind of extra lighting, maybe some kind of ring light or something. So you'll just have to bear with me over the next few, weeks or so. The Buy Me a Coffee website, which you can get to from my applelover53.co.uk website, the money that I am donated by people on there is what I use to buy equipment. So I upgraded one of my phones, which is what I use for my setup. I use iPhones and I use several of them. I upgraded one of those with some of the money that people had donated, and the next thing that I want to get is a ring light. So hopefully if I can get a ring light for this new setup I've got, it will eliminate some of the shadows. I mean, the room that I craft in is very, very well lit. It's a bit like a runway, you know, at an airport, there's that many lights, but I can still see that there is a shadow on screen. That's the card made for my challenge. Okay, so just to recap, if you shop with me at applelover53.stampinup.net between the 8th and the 10th of December, and you use the host code that's shown here on screen, you will receive, as a thank you from me, my little tag class, which consists of 6 cinnamon cider tags, 6 frosted gingerbread layering, matting layer tags, 6 die cut shapes, and a yard of the white glitter organdy ribbon. But you have to use the host code that's on screen, and that is between the any orders placed between the 8th and midnight on the 10th of December. If you happen to shop on the 8th and spend £35 or over, you will get free shipping from Stampin' Up. Okay, so I hope you like my little quick tag project. Thank you for continuing to support me, not only on Buy Me a Coffee and on my YouTube channel, but by continuing to shop with me in my Stampin' Up shop, and hopefully I'll see you again in the next video. Bye for now.